Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. We will guide you through a world of coffee machines. Today's video is a detailed comparison between two popular bean to cup espresso machines from the Longhi, the Specialista Arte Evo and the Eletta Explore. We will break down the key features, design, materials, user experience, operating systems, pros and cons, then let you know who each machine is best suited for. Let's crack on. Starting with the design and build quality, the Specialista Arte Evo stands out with a classic stainless steel finish that evokes the feel of a professional coffee machine. Its manual pressure gauge and robust control knobs give it an artisanal look and feel, appealing to those who enjoy a hands-on coffee making process. This machine feels built to last and look premium on any kitchen counter. In comparison, the Eletta Explore is styled with a sleek, modern aesthetic. It features a streamlined silver body with glossy surfaces and a minimalistic design. It leans towards a more high-tech appearance centered around its digital touch display. The build quality is solid, though the materials are noticeably lighter and more plasticky than the Arte Evo. This makes the Eletta Explore more modern in appearance and geared towards convenience-focused users. Now let's go deeper into specifications and features of each machine. The Specialista Arte Evo comes equipped with an integrated ball grinder offering 8 grind settings. It features pre-infused and active temperature control to ensure precise extraction. The machine is semi-automatic, so while it offers built-in guidance, you manually tamp the coffee and control the steam wand. The My Latte Art Steam Wand allows for manual milk frothing, giving you full control to texture your milk the way you prefer. You can create espresso, americano, and hot water for tea, and it even includes cold extraction technology to prepare authentic cold brew drinks. The heating system uses thermoblock technology for quick heat up, and its compact design makes it suitable for kitchens with limited counter space. On the other hand, the Eletta Explore is built for variety and automation. It features a built-in grinder with 13 grind settings, allowing for finer control over the brew profile. It supports over 50 pre-programmed drinks, covering both hot and cold coffee and milk recipes. The dual mix system enables both hot frothing and cold milk foam. Due to the Longhi latte cream hot and latte creamer cold technologies, the full color touchscreen interface makes selecting and customizing drinks intuitive. In addition, the Eletta Explore connects via Bluetooth to the Longhi Coffee Link app, which allows you to personalize recipes and manage the machine remotely. This model also supports cold brew and iced coffee drinks at the press of a button and includes automatic cleaning function for convenience. The Specialista Arte Evo focuses on craftsmanship and control, while the Eletta Explore leans into automation, versatility, and more modern use. When it comes to the material used, the Arte Evo makes a strong impression with its stainless steel construction. The body, the portafilter, and the steam wand feels sturdy and premium, giving you the confidence of a long-term durability. By contrast, the Arte Explore uses a combination of metal accents and high-grade plastics, While still well made and attractive, it lacks the heft and tactile richness of Arte Evo. This makes the Eletta lighter and slightly easier to move, but with less rugged and professional feel. These two machines operate in a very different way. The Arte Evo runs on a semi-automatic system. You control the grinding, tamping, milk frothing, and extraction manually, guided by tactile dials and buttons. It gives you the experience of being a home barista and is designed for those who love crafting each cup with precision. The Eletta Explore, by contrast, is fully automatic. You simply select a drink on the touch screen and the machine handles everything: grinding, dosing, brewing, and frothing. The interface is intuitive, and the integration with the mobile app gives you even more control, allowing you to adjust recipes and save your preferences. This makes the Eletta Explorer ideal for anyone who wants coffee quality drinks without needing barista skills. Looking at the pros and cons of the La Specialista Arte Evo, its biggest strengths are its premium stainless steel build, the level of manual control it offers, and the barista style experience it provides. It also supports cold brew drinks and takes up less space on the counter. However, it requires more involvement from the user, has a steeper learning curve, and lacks a touch screen or advanced automation features. There are also fewer drinks options compared to full automatic machines. For the Eletta Explore, the strengths are in its one-touch convenience, the wide variety of drinks it offers, and the ability to prepare both hot and cold milk-based drinks. The inclusion of smart connectivity and automatic cleaning makes it extremely good one. On downside, it has a larger footprint and use more plastic in its construction. It also less manual control, which may not appeal to those who enjoy hands-on coffee making. The La Specialista Arte Evo is best suited for coffee lovers who enjoy the process of brewing as much as the result. If you want to dial in your grind size, texture your milk manually, and have more control over every stage of coffee preparation, this machine is ideal. It is perfect for someone who wants to refine their barista skills and values craftsmanship over automation. The Eletta Explore, on the other hand, is ideal for users who prioritize convenience and variety. It is excellent for busy households or small offices where different people want different drinks with minimal effort. If you enjoy iced coffee or want the ability to switch between cappuccinos, lattes, cold foam, and flat whites at press of a button, the Eletta Explore delivers versatility effortlessly. In summary, the Arte Evo is for those who enjoy crafting their coffee, while the Eletta Explore is perfect for anyone who wants high-quality drinks with maximum convenience and minimal learning curve. These coffee machines deserve your attention. They are of high quality. Thank you very much indeed